Hello class. A very good evening to all of you. I hope you all are doing well. This is Ashutosh and we are back here with again a very interesting physics concept. So, as you all know, we completed the topic human eye and the colorful world. Today what we are going to do practice of some important question related to the same topic. Before that, before starting this class, I want to discuss few important things with all of you. So, as you all know, we launched our program Vijay Bhav. So, the meaning of term Vijay Bhav is to achieve the success, to achieve your goals. And how you are able to achieve your goals, how you can achieve the success? Definitely by achieving some good marks in your exams. So, we are here to help you, and if you want to join our Infinity Learn family, what you need to do, you need to visit that site which I already mentioned in the description also and it is here also. तो यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है, इस साइट पे आपको जाना है and you need to fill all your details like your name, your grade and the different type of courses are there. The course which you want to take, you can fill the detail of that course, and after doing all this, I hope you all know my name. My name is Ashutosh, and when you are going to apply this offer code, which is Ashutosh20, you will get 20% discount there. Okay? So, what are the features there which you are able to access? यहाँ पे हम आपके लिए 24/7 अवेलेबल हैं. जो भी आपके डाउट्स हैं, जो भी आपकी क्वेरीज है, कभी भी आपको कोई डाउट हो रहा है, कोई क्वेश्चन हो रहा है, आप हमसे पूछ सकते हैं. Second thing, the content which we are providing it to you, that is a top quality content, and the faculties. जो यहाँ पे फैकल्टीज हैं, दे आर वेरी एक्सपीरियंस फैकल्टीज और आप ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे लाइव क्लासेस ले रहे हो यूट्यूब पे, बट समटाइम्स वी आर नॉट एबल टू कम ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस ऑन अ यूट्यूब. सो इफ यू वांट द क्लासेस ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस, डेफिनेटली यू कैन जॉइन अवर इन्फिनिटी लर्न फैमिली. So I hope that is clear to you. If you are having any doubt, any query इससे related, courses से related, कोई भी doubt है, कोई भी query है, आप chat box में अपने doubts लिख सकते हैं. चलिए जल्दी से start करते हैं with a very first question here. देखिए first question they are saying, when a ray of light travels from rarer medium to denser medium, then option A, it bends towards the normal. Option B, it goes straight. Option C, it's saying that it bends away from the normal, and option D, it's saying that none of the above. So class, you are having 30 seconds to answer this question. Your time already started. You all need to answer it in the chat box. Okay? ध्यान से सोचिए क्या कह रहा है. When a light is traveling from rarer medium to the denser medium. तो पहले आपको बच्चों ये क्लियर होना चाहिए what is rarer medium and what is denser medium. How we can define both of them. So it's very simple. अगर हम किन्हीं दो मीडियम्स को कंपेयर कर रहे हैं, लेट्स टेक एग्जांपल, अगर लाइट जो है वो वाटर से ग्लास में जा रही है या फिर एयर से वाटर में आ रही है, सो विच वन इज रेयर, विच वन इज डेंसर. एयर वाटर का अगर हम एग्जांपल लें, डेफिनेटली जहां पे स्पीड ऑफ लाइट ज़्यादा होगी, वेयर द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इज मोर in comparison to the other medium, that medium is known as rarer medium. And another one जहां पे स्पीड जो है लाइट की कम है, that is known as denser medium class. Now I will tell you a short trick to remember that. You can remember this word draw. What is the meaning of this term draw? So it's a very simple trick to remember, जिसकी वजह से आप जल्दी आंसर दे सकते हो और आपको बहुत चीजें सोचने की नीड नहीं पड़ेगी. Denser to rarer, away from the normal. But ये तो केस अपोजिट है. Rarer to denser medium, then definitely rarer to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. So is there any option is there? Yes, definitely the A part here is the correct answer. It bends towards the normal. Clear everyone? Okay, let's move to the next question. Here's the next question. How many surface does a glass prism have? Very important question. So for that question आपको पता होना चाहिए प्रिज्म कैसा होता है. So if I'm talking about a glass prism, it is having two triangular surfaces and three rectangular surfaces. So now if they are asking the total number of surfaces, 2 plus 3, it will give 5. So the right answer here is 5. Very good students, very nice. Few of the answers as you can see, आप लोगों ने maximum लोगों ने 5 आंसर किया है. That's very good, very nice. चलिए next question पे चलते हैं. What is the next question here? The angle between the incident ray and emergent ray is called. Let's take the example of prism only. So prism में angle जो form होता है between incident ray and emergent ray. I hope incident ray आप सबको clear होगा, the ray which is falling on the surface of prism or any other incident ray we are calling it. Emergent ray, finally जो ray बाहर आ रही है, that is something which is known as emergent ray. Now they are asking what is the angle known as which formed between the incident ray and emergent ray. Option A, angle of reflection. Option B, angle of refraction. Option C, angle of deviation. Or option D, none of the above. Think about it, students, and answer it in the chat box. You are having 30 seconds time to answer this. Let me show you a figure. Maybe that will help you in answering this question. So, if you see this question, here, this ray is an incident ray. Right? Now, the ray which is finally coming out from the prism, that is known as emergent ray. So, this one is emergent ray. If you see now, students, the angle which is forming between incident ray and emergent ray. So, directly they are not forming any angle. What we are doing, we are proceeding incident ray in a forward direction and emergent ray in a backward direction. So, the angle which is forming between incident ray, emergent ray, that which we are denoting with D. Why we are denoting it with D? Because that angle is known as angle of deviation. That is giving us the information of angle of deviation. So, the right answer, very good students, very nice. That is the C part, angle of deviation. I hope it is clear to all of you. Any doubts, any confusion, if you want to ask, कोई भी doubt है, कोई चीज नहीं समझ में आ रही है, you can definitely ask it in the chat box. Okay, let's move ahead with the next question here. Next question, if a ray of light passes from rarer to denser, then again the same kind of question. Rarer से denser medium में कोई light pass हो रही है, तो आपको relation बताना है angle of incidence and angle of reflection के बीच में. That is angle. That is not the sign. Okay, let me write it here. Angle I is greater than angle R. This is the option first. Second option, angle I is less than angle R. Okay, this is the sign of angle. Angle I is less than angle R. Okay, moving to the next one. Angle I is equal to angle R, or D option, none of the above. So think again, students, when the light ray is passing from rarer to denser medium, what is happening there? Let's see. Rarer to denser medium. This is a rarer medium, this is a denser medium, this is the normal, this is the incident ray, correct? Now, what we know that when the light is passing from rarer to denser medium, what is going to be happen? We know that now, draw. So denser to rarer, away from the normal. So rarer to denser, it is towards the normal. So rarer to denser, towards the normal, this ray is bent towards the normal. Okay, so this is the actual path of the ray. Now definitely if you see, this is angle R, I, this is angle R. So angle R, which is angle of refraction, is definitely less than the angle of incidence. So what is the right option here? The right option is A part, angle of incidence greater than the angle R. So angle of incidence is greater than the angle of refraction. Why? Because incident ray is bending towards the normal. After refraction, the ray bends towards the normal, right? Now, moving ahead with the next question. In a dispersion of light, which colors deviates the maximum? So, जब भी dispersion of light होता है, तो कौन से color का maximum deviation होता है? That you need to answer. What are the colors there? We all know that. That is Vibgyor. Right? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Now they are asking about the maximum deviation. So that is something which is related to the wavelength. If I am talking about the violet and red, which are present in the top and bottom, so violet is having the minimum wavelength. Lambda is the sign by which we can denote the wavelength, and red is having the maximum wavelength. So the color of light which is having maximum wavelength that deviates less or more? Tell me, students, think about it. So the options are here: option A red, option B yellow, option C green, option D violet. Okay, I already gave you the idea. Think about it. We will come back to this question and answer it to you. Moving next, the next question here: which color have maximum wavelength after the dispersion of the white light? As I already answered it to you, the right answer here definitely will be the A part: red, green, violet, orange. As I already discussed you in the previous class, the red is having the maximum wavelength, and that is the reason it is having the minimum deviation. Maximum wavelength, minimum deviation. So the question they are asking deviates maximum. The right answer will be violet. Violet is having the maximum deviation. Moving ahead, I hope it is clear, because both the question related to the wavelength only. Now, the next question: during rainbow formation, rainbow acts as a mirror, lens, prism, glass. Because if I'm talking about in a rainbow formation, we are able to see all those 7 colors of white light, right? Vibgyor, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So, is it acting like a mirror, or is it acting like a lens, or is it acting like a prism, or it is glass? So students, the right answer, if I'm talking about, that is definitely here, the prism. Why? Because the prism is something which can cause the dispersion. So the rainbow formation, during the rainbow formation, the raindrops which are present in our the atmosphere, जो atmosphere में present है, they are acting like a small prism there, which is causing the dispersion of light, and the formation of rainbow is happening there. Next question: what is the necessary condition for the formation of rainbow? Option A, it must be raining. Option B, sun is shining. Option C, dispersion phenomena. Or D, all of the above. So students, just think about it. What are the necessary conditions for the formation of shadow? Definitely the sun is required, right? From where the white light is coming. Definitely rain is also required, because we require that small rain droplets which are present in the atmosphere, they are going to cause the dispersion phenomena, and dispersion is must happening there. So all of them are correct. Definitely the D part here is the right answer. All of the above are the necessary condition for the formation of rainbow. Clear? कोई डाउट नहीं है यहां तक. I hope it is clear to all of you. आप लोग आंसर भी दे रहे हो चैट बॉक्स पे. That's very nice. Now, moving ahead, critical angle is associated with option A, total internal reflection, option B, dispersion of light, option C, refraction of light, or is it D, scattering of light? So dispersion of light is a simple phenomena where what is happening, the light, white light, get dispersed into its 7 colors, which is Vibgyor. Refraction, where is the bending of light is happening. Scattering of light is happening like the small molecules, like the dust molecules, water molecules, which are present in our atmosphere. They are absorbing the light and emitting it in some different direction. That is something which is the scattering of light. Now, the option which is left here, that is total internal reflection. So critical angle, yes, it is related to the total internal reflection. So what is happening there? When we are increasing the angle of incidence, and at some angle, एक angle ऐसा आता है where the light is not going to in another medium, it totally get internal reflection. So वो पूरा internally reflect हो जाती है. That angle is known as critical angle, and option A is right here. Critical angle is associated with a total internal reflection. So that are the questions. That is a quick revision of the topic human eye. Not completely, but few questions. We are going to come back again with some more questions, but do revise this. If you are having any confusion, any doubts, definitely you can reach out to me. So students, again I want to tell you about this important detail. If you want to join our regular classes, if you want to achieve some good marks, you can join our Infinity Learn family. The link is given in the description where you need to go. वहाँ पे आपको अपनी सारी details fill out करनी है, like आपका name fill करना है, वहाँ पे आपका grade, what is your registered phone number, and after doing all those things, जो भी course आप select कर रहे हो, you can apply this code ASHUTOSH20 and you will get flat 20% discount there. So that is going to help you. You can share it with your friends also. They require definitely some help. So that's all for the today's class. We are going to meet very soon. Till then, what you need to do the revision and take care of yourself. Bye bye class. Have a great day.